Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are back to try another painting with paint. I was going to try a swipe, but today I've decided instead I'm going to do a reverse dip. I think that's what it's called. We'll see how it works. So here are my colors. Everything's mixed 1 part Floetrol to 1 part paint. I was going for kind of thick paint. Purple is Liquitex Basics Violet, what's that say? Deep Violet. The red is Blicrylic Fire Red, because you know how much I love red, so I made up just a little bit. The gorgeous, prettiest color in the universe, turquoise, is Liquitex Basics Turquoise Blue. The yellow that has a thing in it, I have to fish out, is Liquitex Basics Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue. And this metallic brown over here is Arteza Tube Paint in Pearl Deep Brown. So it's a bit metallic. And then for another color, the white is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in white, mixed 1 part paint to 1.5 parts Floetrol. Alright, so what I want to do today, what I'm hoping to do today is a spiral with all my colors. We'll see how it goes. Luckily, the nice thing about a lot of this fluid art is that exactness is not required. I am not very good at exact. That's why I'm not a fine artist. So we're just going to try for a spiral of sorts. Let's see. Try the yellow next. Very inexact, but since I'm not a huge fan of red anyway, you know, a little bit of red for an accent color. Yeah, that's it. I think I'm getting more on the mat than I am on the canvas, but again, fluid art. Okay. And if I have some paints left over at the end, this is not going to bother me at all. I will use them in another project. I'll be filling in something's banging against my window. I think it's a bug. Maybe it'll go away. A little purple there. Oh gosh, drag my cup right through that one. Alrighty, let's see where I need to fill in a bit. right, I think we have more than enough paint on here. So let's see how this works. Here's what we're going to dip with, or reverse dip with. We are going to put, this is one of those, pull as much paper towel off as you want off the roll, which means it has perforations every few inches. So just to make sure it doesn't fall apart and come apart at the perforation, I've added some tape to this side. And we are just going to very carefully lay this in the paint. And get it all, not drenched. I don't want it so soaked through that the paper towel disintegrates. But I do want it all touching the paint. So we'll just pat it down, make sure everything's touching. Okay, now I've been watching Erica Art do these. I will link to her channel below because she does some amazing dipping. I'm going to pick these two corners up first and then these two, and hopefully get the whole thing off before it starts leaving all sorts of crazy wobbly drips. And we'll see what we end up with. And here we go. Ooh, psychedelic, baby. Look at that. I see one missed spot. That is not too terribly awful. I think I may be able to do something with that. Let's see if I can, hopefully without messing it up, because I do that sometimes when I try and fix things. And that would be one of them. That's not it. Okay, let's try again. In this case, I really like the white. I don't always like how white contributes. Ah. Got the canvas covered. I'm not happy with it. All right. Don't want to end up with purple and yellow making brown, which I know is possible. Be careful. And there are those drips again I don't want, but you know what? At this point, oh, I hear my kitties outside the door. we're gonna try another dip. Because why not at this point, right? I like the idea. We were so close to what I was hoping for. So we'll just try again. All right. All right, try again. Make sure every single part of this touches the paint. Don't want any gaps. Remember my dip the other day actually got better on the second attempt, so maybe that's what we'll have today. A better second attempt. Right down the middle. All right, once again, I'm going to try the four corners. Maybe we'll try the other two this time first. Cool. Okay, I'm a lot happier with it this time. What do you think, everybody? You like it? I like it better. I like it a lot better. Let us torch. Helps if I push the right button. I do have a little too much paint pulled off around the corners by the paper towel. So once again, I'm going to have to fuss with the corners. But I won't have to fuss with the sides this time. Oh yeah. A lot happier with it this time. All right, let's go in for our close-up. Lower right hand corner. Traveling up the right hand side. To the upper right hand corner. I like the little bits of purple. And across the top. To the upper left corner, and then down the left hand side. I love the colors. I'm glad I did the red. I was worried about it, but I don't think it looks bad here. I think it looks part of the electric excitement of it all. All right, folks, and here is the full painting. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you thought I should have stopped after the first one, or if you liked the second one better. What would you have done? Thanks, everybody. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.